Hey guys, what's up? Today it's actually a very small video. Okay, so let me tell you all what video is this. Okay, so I did a video about my mic test, isn't it? If you all actually hear properly, there was that sound, So I want to actually throw it away. So most of you all must be having that problem as well. Bear with me, bear with everyone. Let's go. So you all might be wondering, to remove that hiss sound, what should I do? Go to Google Chrome and search for Audacity. After installing Audacity, finish. அவ்வளோதான். Hey Mahesh, what lah? Download Audacity, what you gonna do lah? Teach me how to do it. Alright, now we are in the app. Okay guys, so now I'm literally recording with that hiss sound, alright? Can you hear it? Yeah, the hiss sound is there. So now I'm going to teach you all how to remove it. Okay guys, after you all start recording your own audio, okay, you all can see this line, right? Okay, you all drag that line and then you all go up there to effect. After clicking on effect, go all the way to noise reduction. And then you hit get noise profile. So right after hitting noise profile, you select all the audio that you want to actually reduce the sound, the hiss sound. Then you after dragging the whole thing, go to effect again, hit on noise reduction and just hit OK. No need to hit get noise profile again, just hit OK. And then you're done. So let's see the test now. Okay guys, so now I'm literally recording with that hiss sound, alright? Can you hear it? Yeah, the hiss sound is there. So now I'm going to teach you all how to remove it. Okay guys, so now I'm literally recording with that hiss sound, alright? Can you hear it? Yeah, the hiss sound is there. So now I'm going to teach you all how to remove it. Alright guys, so that's it. That's how you actually remove the hiss sound. Anyways, that's all. It's a very short video. Thank you for watching. Nandri vanakkam. Arigatou gozaimasu. Tolong subscribe shite kudasai. Bye bye.